These careers are rising rapidly. They are what companies in Northeast Wisconsin and across the country need to thrive now and in the future. They're accessible and achievable for everyone. That means you just have to be curious and have a willingness to learn. We'll teach you the rest. I'm Ryan Stewart, a career coach at Northeast Wisconsin Technical College. At NWTC, when we talk about emerging careers, we're talking about new careers. And then those that are not really new, but you might not know a lot about. And they're the ones you need to know about. They offer high earning potential and a wide variety of job opportunities and career advancement. I'm going to introduce you to emerging careers for 2023. First up, telecommunications. Can you imagine living without smartphones, the internet, television, or radio? Thanks to those in the telecommunications field, you don't have to. In a telecom career, you can design, install, and maintain the systems that keep us all just a call, text, or virtual meeting away from each other. When you think about the medical field, you probably think about nurses, doctors, and EMTs. But there are so many more opportunities. For example, our next emerging career, biomedical technology.
Biomedical technicians maintain all the vital equipment that you see in hospitals and clinics. They work with the nurses and the doctors to make sure all of the equipment is working.
Another emerging career, data analytics, is also rising in healthcare and so many other fields.
Data analytics is really all about the storytelling with the data. It is those visualizations of the data that we bring forward and present to the decision makers who do something with the data. It is about the data collection, and it's asking questions of that data to learn the insights and then move into action.
All industries and all of us in our daily lives depend on safe, reliable computer networks and systems. That brings us to the next emerging career, cybersecurity.
So part of cybersecurity is really the networking side of things, but it's also the reporting as well. The whole idea behind it is to ensure that the businesses are set up for success and that their information is securely behind firewalls, making sure that hackers can't get into the data.
Have you ever thought about all the amazing things made in Wisconsin? Snowblowers, fire trucks, motorcycle engines. With our next career field, 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, the way those things are made is changing.
Here in northeastern Wisconsin, machining is a huge part of our manufacturing economy. Today, we can do 3D printing to provide fixtures and prototypes that are valuable in the machine shops. But in the future, as metal printing becomes more cost effective, we're going to see 3D printing become even more important here in northeastern Wisconsin.
Finally, an emerging career that focuses on the heart. Literally, echocardiography. Someone who works in echocardiography is called a cardiac sonographer. They take pictures of the heart with ultrasound equipment. With those images, a doctor can assess a patient's heart and diagnose heart problems. Can you see yourself in one of these emerging careers?